In 2025, the retro motorcycle scene is planning a comeback lineup of classics and modern legends. Taking a glimpse into Royal Enfield's timeless designs to other bold entries, these bikes combine vintage charm with cutting-edge technology. Here's a look at the top 10 retro rides making a stunning comeback. Number 10. The Honda Grom might be small in size, but it's a giant in the world of fun. This pint-sized motorcycle has been taking the streets by storm, earning a reputation as the perfect bike for beginners and experienced riders alike. The Honda Grom is powered by a 124cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, delivering 9.7 horsepower and 10.2 Nm of torque. While these numbers might seem modest, the Grom's lightweight frame, only 104 kilograms, and nimble handling make it an absolute blast to ride. Despite its small size, the Grom is packed with features. The minimalist design includes a compact round headlamp, digital display, and wide handlebars for an upright, comfortable ride. Why is it a top retro comeback for 2025? The Honda Grom has become an icon for riders who want a blend of retro style and modern engineering in a small package. It's indeed a top contender for 2025. Number 9. The Kawasaki W230 is inspired by the legendary Kawasaki W1, a motorcycle that ruled the roads in the 1960s and was Japan's answer to British classics like the Triumph Bonneville. The Kawasaki W230 ABS is a retro roadster with modern upgrades that make it irresistible for both seasoned riders and newcomers. It's powered by a 233cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine that delivers a modest but lively 19 horsepower. This may not sound like much, but the W230 isn't about raw speed, it's about the joy of the ride. The torque-heavy engine, combined with its lightweight frame, offers a zippy and agile performance, perfect for city streets and countryside cruises. The W230 stands out with its timeless design. Chrome fenders, a rounded fuel tank, and spoked wheels give it that old-school vibe, while features like ABS brakes and an electric start add a modern touch. The dual shock absorbers and the comfortable seat make long rides a breeze. The W230 ABS brings back the charm of vintage motorcycling, but with the reliability and safety of today's tech. Number 8. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350. The Hunter 350 is powered by a 349cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine that delivers 20.2 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 5-speed gearbox, providing smooth shifts and an easy, responsive ride. The bike's lightweight design, only 181 kilograms, makes it agile, perfect for navigating busy streets and tight corners. What makes the Hunter 350 stand out is its minimalist design. With its retro-inspired round headlamp, teardrop fuel tank, and simple lines, it exudes old-school charm. The Hunter 350 brings a fresh, urban twist to Royal Enfield's retro lineup. It's a stylish, affordable option for younger riders or anyone looking for a vintage-inspired bike that doesn't compromise on modern performance and convenience. This is the bike for the city rider who loves both style and substance. Do you want one of these motorcycles in 2025? Share your thoughts in the comments and watch till the end, because the last one's an eye-catcher. And don't forget to like and share with your diesel-loving friends. Number 7. The Royal Enfield Classic 650 is the bigger sibling of the legendary Classic 350, a bike so iconic that it's been a favorite for decades among military personnel and adventurers alike. The Classic 650 takes the timeless design of the Classic series and adds a powerful punch under the hood. It's equipped with a 648cc parallel twin engine that delivers 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque. This engine is the same proven powerhouse found in the Interceptor and Continental GT 650, offering smooth, refined performance and a thrilling ride on highways and city streets. What makes this bike stand out is its unmistakable retro charm. The rounded headlamp, teardrop fuel tank, and split seats are reminiscent of post-war motorcycles, while modern updates like LED lighting and a semi-digital instrument cluster ensure it's ready for 2025. Its dual-channel ABS and comfortable suspension system provide both safety and comfort, making it perfect for long rides. Number 6. The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. The Shotgun 650 earned its name from its thunderous exhaust roar, likened to a shotgun blast echoing through the streets. The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 is powered by a robust 648cc parallel twin engine. It delivers 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque, ensuring smooth acceleration and an exhilarating ride. Its retro design is inspired by classic bobbers, featuring a low-slung seat, wide handlebars, and a minimalist stance that screams old-school cool. The Shotgun 650 boasts a 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch for seamless gear shifts, dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety, and 18-inch alloy wheels for a grounded and stable ride. Its teardrop fuel tank and dual exhausts enhance its vintage appeal, while modern touches like LED lighting and a semi-digital instrument cluster bring it into the 21st century. What makes it a top retro comeback for 2025? The Shotgun 650 offers the rugged simplicity of a classic bike with the performance and reliability of modern engineering. It's perfect for riders who want a no-nonsense, stylish ride that turns heads on the highway and city streets alike. Number 5. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. The Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 takes inspiration from the mighty Himalayas, known for their ruggedness and ability to conquer the toughest terrains. The Himalayan 450 is powered by a 450cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that produces 40 horsepower and 40 Nm of torque. This engine provides plenty of grunt for off-road adventures and long-distance touring. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox, the Himalayan 450 is capable of tackling steep inclines, rocky paths, and even highway cruising. It comes with advanced features like a digital analog instrument cluster, switchable ABS, and LED lighting, all of which enhance the bike's versatility and practicality. Why is it a top retro comeback for 2025? The Himalayan 450 combines the adventure-ready spirit of its predecessors with modern power and technology. Number 4. The Can-Am Pulse. This sleek ride marks Can-Am's return to the two-wheeled market after nearly 4 decades, and it's an electric revolution. The Can-Am Pulse is a futuristic take on retro style, combining the nostalgia of classic motorcycle design with the cutting-edge technology of electric mobility. This beauty is powered by BRP's proprietary Rotax e-Power system, delivering instant torque and a whisper-quiet ride. With an estimated range of 450 miles on a single charge and a top speed of 85 miles per hour, the Pulse is built for urban explorers and short highway cruises alike. What sets the Pulse apart is its seamless integration of old-school aesthetics with modern innovation. The sleek minimalist frame is paired with advanced features like regenerative braking, a digital display, and app connectivity. Its upright riding position and lightweight frame make it accessible for riders of all skill levels, while its smooth acceleration and low maintenance make it a practical choice for the future. Number 3. The Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 is named after its tough, rugged build, which is as powerful and agile as the mighty animal it's inspired by. The Guerrilla 450 is Royal Enfield's bold step into the adventure bike category, combining the brand classic DNA with a rugged design for off-road enthusiasts. Powered by a 450cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, it churns out an impressive 40 horsepower and 40 Nm of torque, making it capable of tackling steep trails and long highway rides with ease. Its tubular steel frame is built to withstand the harshest terrains, while the long travel suspension ensures a smooth ride over bumps and rocks. The Guerrilla 450 is equipped with 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels, wrapped in dual-purpose tires for maximum grip on and off the road. The Guerrilla 450 brings a fresh twist to Royal Enfield's retro lineup by combining timeless design with adventure-ready features. Number 2. The Royal Enfield Interceptor Bear 650 gets its name from the rugged strength of a bear, built to handle any challenge on the road with raw power and determination. The Interceptor Bear 650 is a powerful motorcycle with a 648cc parallel twin engine, delivering 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque. This engine is known for its smooth, linear power delivery. The 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch ensures seamless gear shifts, making it a pleasure to ride for both beginners and experienced riders alike. This bike combines retro style with modern features, with distinctive round headlamps, a sculpted fuel tank, and twin exhausts that echo the classic design of motorcycles from the 1960s. With its powerful engine, stylish design, and updated features, it's the perfect choice for riders who want a timeless ride that performs as well as it looks. This bike is ready to dominate the roads in 2025. And number 1. The Triumph Modern Classic Edition. Triumph's Modern Classic Edition is inspired by the Bonneville, a bike so iconic it was named after the Bonneville Salt Flats, where it set speed records in the 1950s. The Triumph Modern Classic Edition takes everything riders loved about vintage Triumphs and wraps it in a sleek, modern package. At its heart is a 900cc parallel twin engine, producing a smooth 64 horsepower and 80 Newton-meters of torque. Design-wise, this bike oozes retro charm. The teardrop fuel tank, bench seat, and round headlight pay homage to the classic. The ride is enhanced by a high-quality suspension system with front telescopic forks and twin rear shocks, making it comfortable for both city streets and open highways. Dual disc brakes with ABS provide confidence-inspiring stopping power. So, why is it making a retro comeback for 2025? The Triumph Modern Classic Edition combines timeless design with cutting-edge performance, offering the perfect balance of nostalgia and practicality. Well, we've come to the end of the video today. Are you craving more motorcycle content? Hit that subscribe button and feel your passion. Thanks for watching.